Argus believes that going into the first quarter of next year, prices will average $78 per barrel for Brent, so basically lower from where they are right now. And for the whole of 2022, we expect they will average about $72 per barrel, falling down to 65 on average in 2023. So we believe that regardless of this release of emergency stockpiles coordinated in this unprecedented move by consumers across the board, the world's largest oil consumers, the fact that OPEC had been restoring some of the production that it cut during the pandemic was helping to rebalance the market and to reach some stability in the mid-70s for prices going forward.
I do want to understand from you, because I think the worry is that with the peak winter approaching, that demand would just go through the roof and then there's just no stopping oil prices. I mean, where would you place the probability of oil at 100 by the end of the year? I'm talking about
for that, we need to understand how much of the heating demand that may come as a result of any peak in heating needs will actually materialize, and how much will actually there will be fuel substitution between heating fuels like natural gas and coal and production of electricity and oil. Argus believes that about 700,000 barrels per day of fuel substitution can occur, but no matter how much substitution actually occurs, psychologically, if the market perceives that supplies are tight from the heating fuels perspective, specifically natural gas, that can drag the price of oil higher. And we saw that earlier this year. It's the first time when the natural gas market, together with localized power markets, are driving the global oil market. So I'm afraid we're still going to see that volatility. Obviously, the emergency stockpiles will temper the ability of oil prices to spike together with the additional OPEC output. I wouldn't rule out, a spike that would temporarily take us closer to $90 or $100 per barrel. But in the current environment, the signals are more for stabilization in a lower band between 70 and 80.